So basically, as you guys can see, this is pretty much just like a drive run to just see how everything is going to look on Saturday. I'm so excited because I've been seeing these little luxury picnics all over Pinterest, all over Instagram, and I wanted to do mine a little bit of boho but a little bit tropical and colorful, because I feel like everyone's kind of doing those neutral white and tan boho look, and I kind of just wanted to do something different. So that's why I was like, oh, I want to do orange, because I always do pink. Pink is my favorite color. So I was like, what's another bright, fun color? And my bathing suit, my kimono is orange, and my birthday outfit on Sunday is orange. So that's just my color for the weekend. I'm going to be vlogging the picnic, the setup, my whole weekend in Hilton Head, so stay tuned. So you guys, we're doing a drive run to kind of get an idea of how the picnic is going to look. Don't worry, we're about to cover those pillows. So we got these little candles from Dollar Tree. They came 2 in a pack. Trays from Dollar Tree. I got a whole pack of leaves from Amazon. And these little bottles my mom already had, because I know once I get on the beach I'm not going to be able to have time to do all this, break everything down. Flowers we got from Michael's. And this vase my mom already had, came in clutch. Flowers, Michael's, little pack of seashells from Dollar Tree. This burlap came from Hobby Lobby. These gray and white pillows she already had. Yeah, pretty much the same thing on this side. We got this drink thing. It came from Walmart. This crate. Maybe this crate came from, I want to say like Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And then we got the chalkboard from Hobby Lobby, and it already says happy 27th birthday, Gina. You guys, so I found the pallets that I am going to use for my picnic table, and they're small and they're just on the side of the tree. Yes, this is okay. You guys, bear with me, I know I look a mess, but so as you guys can see, my goal is to do a boho tropical beach picnic. So I'm DIYing this entire picnic. I've bought just so many things from craft stores, Dollar Tree. You guys know, if you watched my brunch last year, I love doing parties. I did a surprise party for my boyfriend, and I like vlogging pretty much like the build up to the event, so you guys can see behind the scenes to how I'm making this boho beach picnic come along. Now, getting like low picnic tables is not cheap. I was actually just gonna buy a really long picnic table, and then I actually saw on another girl's blog how she just got free pallets. So I'm just gonna grab some, and then it'll be perfect because they're just out here, nobody wants them, and they're pretty much just here for me to take. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Perfect.
Shout out to you in the keys. In the box, my closet full of seeds. My shit wet, LES, I got perm on my neck, not no beats. I get cash in my
I'm so happy. Everything came out good. Okay guys, everything turned out amazing. All the hard work, DIYs, everything paid off. Now it's time to eat and drink. Everybody's in traffic, so we'll see. I'll keep vlogging when more people get here. All right.